Uncle Mark here once again. Let's talk fifth wheel trailers. If you ever tried hooking these up, they're not bad. I guess they're no worse than a bumper hitch, but sometimes you can't see where the hitch is based on the truck. I'll show you what my problem is here on my truck. So here's the problem. I'll show you this again later on, but when you flip this up, it exposes the fifth wheel hitch, which you cannot see because there's this 2 feet or more of this plastic hardtop that's blocking your view. I'll just snap these into place here. There's the fifth wheel. What can you do to make it easier? I guess a guy could get a camera. I'm thinking I got some junk kicking around. See, look, you can't see nothing there now. We're not even in the truck. Got some junk kicking around. We'll be able to use it to make some little aligners. I don't know what you want to call it. I think, let's go inside here and we'll show you what it really looks like from inside. You can see nothing? This is, up on our knees. You can't see the hitch at all. I need some help, some kind of an aid. Now you'll see I did 2 of them. I did this one, I think is what we're going to stay with. Once I had it all figured out, that's the one that actually stays on the hitch here, or sits on the hitch. This one goes in the truck. I still have to make it out of something stronger like this because this is still too, it's very, very easy to bend. Look at this. So, well, those are the 2. We'll show you how we made them. Just using an old magnet from a speaker. This one's a little bit small, but I think it'll work. Not on the same metal bracket because I'm making all this stuff out of pieces of stuff. But I've got one of these from some kind of electrical, and it's easy to bend. So I think I'm going to use that for now, until I get the right angle. And then, once I figure out the right angle, I'll make it, out of something that's good. Now this hole's too small. There we go. And then take our... We're going to try with this one first. Oh, there's even a dot to... Hopefully this will work. That's the middle, I guess. Whatever that's made out of. We'll put the rod in there. Take it from that. Do the same to the white one because it's going to work the same kind of idea. Well, a little too fast, maybe? Ugh, stinks. Tighten this baby up. It's a very old golf ball. It's probably 30 years old. Woo, she's smoking. Wow. Is it on fire? Smells like fish. Well, we'll see how that works. thread a rod in there. And then I'm hoping that if the pink is the back one, and this is, we're lining them up, just make sure that you can't see the pink when you back up, and that should line up for our fifth wheel hitch. So I see the rod I got just a little bit wider than the hole I just made, so I'm going to have to make another hole in this pink one. I think, maybe I can thread it in. I think I will thread it in. Probably be quicker if I used a drill on the end of this thing and just zipped it in. I'm going to use nuts on each side of it to hold it in the ball on, but I think this will work maybe better. How much farther do we have to go? It's getting just about there. Well, that's probably good. Of course, this lock washer's on here too tight. Now this hole needs to be a little bigger. Oh, sorry guys. This is a really handy little thing. The rod fit in there. I think it needs a little more room. Put a round file on the end of this. Maybe I should just drill it out. Maybe it still is. I need a couple of nuts wherever they fell. Okay. Put it about as far as I want the ball to sit. there. This goes on this side. Somebody switched some nuts at the store, I guess. Wrong one in there. All right. Let's go outside, I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. There, so if you sit that in the middle, it's not as strong as I thought that magnet was going to be. Guess it only has to hang on till you park. And that's the finished product. I'm going to do the same with the white one. It's the one that smokes. Smoked the last time. Okay, now there's the other ready rod here somewhere. Throw that baby through there too. Let's use some power tools. Use one of these. Put that on the drill and let's drill her in. Be a little quicker. A little more fun. Okay, let me line you up. Okay. All my junk's falling over. What's going on here? Oh my. Take two. Still doesn't want to go in. Oh well. Try it one more time. There we go. Oh, way too far. Anyway, it doesn't matter if it sticks out a little bit. Which one really wants to hang on to there good? That in there. Do the same for the other side, and then we can bend it however we want. Not really sure how I want it yet. I'm actually going to make this hole bigger too, right? And of course they're gonna fight me all the way again because they're lock washers. hold there. And we'll turn with this guy. So the one I want to turn doesn't want to turn. Always helps the drone. And then this one could mount sideways, I suppose. That's kind of the way I'm thinking it's going to have to be used later. Somehow like that. Yeah, we'll see. So here's the problem with that box in the back. You can't see your hitch. Well, I've got to roll it up a little bit. Let's roll it up and you'll see what it looks like. It only folds into that many pieces, but from inside the truck, you can't see what you're doing. Can't already see it. So through the back window, from where I am, I can't see nothing. Doesn't even matter if you were in the very back of the truck, you still can't see it. So I got that one on there. This other one. Let's see if I can just maybe sit it. Oh, that works. Sink it right on there. I was able to click it under there, that height, and actually they might almost be the right height. Of course this is old school, so I gotta crank it up. Go way higher than that. It's just straight up and down. Let's see what that looks like. I can see them. But I can see if this works or not. Yeah, it's upset because the tailgate's down. Kind of works. Oops. Let's go ahead. I know it's too low. I need to find that out. Bah. Could actually work. Let's go check the height. It's got to go up quite a bit. Let's try it again. And amazingly enough, for some junk that I had kicking around, they actually work pretty good. Well, I think you can buy them fairly cheap, but maybe, you know, not real golf balls. So if you're having trouble lining it up, maybe this is something you can make out of some junk you have at home. I'm sure you can buy these fairly cheap. If you found them somewhere, why not put it in the comments where you found them, what you paid for them, where you live, just to give us an idea. Or, you know, if maybe you put these together, let me know how that worked out. Thanks for watching. It goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. Be careful. Do whatever you can to protect yourself. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're a new subscriber, you have to ring the bell too. It's a little bell there so that you don't miss any of the latest episodes. It's easy to do. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.